So guys, I'm going to be taking you on the RC simulator setup on how to use your fly sky transmitter to be able to control your simulator. For this video, we are using the Picasso flight simulator, as you can see. So first, what you need to do in order to get this done, you'll be needing a cable that has this port, as you can see, and also has the USB port at the other end. So basically this cable most time comes with your transmitter. So you insert this at the back of your transmitter like this, as you can see. You follow the port. So after inserting it, then you connect the other end to your PC or your laptop, your desktop computer or your laptop. So after that, make sure you set your transmitter on a new channel, as you can see, on a fresh channel. So after doing that, then you launch your flight simulator. So as I said earlier, for this particular video we are using the Picasso. I will drop the link down below. So you click on settings. Let's try to enlarge this stuff. Okay, so after clicking on settings, then you go to joystick. When you go to joystick, then you click on the advance, then for this particular one, okay, let me so let's go. So now for this, you have to set the joystick ID. After connecting it to your system, you want to move this is it a scroller here, you move it to joystick ID 1. So then you click on enable joystick, then you scroll down. This is already set, so let me just move it back to the normal position. For the normal position, you see map to none. So for you to confirm that your controls are being received, so you try to move the joystick around, so you see the numbers moving right there. So for this particular one now, you know that this is your aileron, as you can see. This is for aileron. So you go to over to this side and move it to the roll. That's the roll. Now you click on when centered. Now right now our stick is in the middle position. So you click on that. So it will try to get the calibration for that center point. Then you move over to the press when left or down. So for this particular one, you are supposed to go left. So by the time you move it to the left position, then you have to click on that icon right there. So after clicking, you also do the same to the right position. You also click on that other icon. So you move downward and you try to check for your elevator, as you can see, which one runs more faster and higher. So as you can see, that's the joystick one input. So you try to set that to our pitch. That's our pitch stick. As you can see, you set it to your pitch stick. then you do the same calibration, but this one you leave the stick at the middle, then you press centered. Then this one, for this particular one now, you are not pulling it to the left position, you are taking it downwards. As you can see, you are taking it downwards. So when your stick is down, then you click on this icon, then when it's up, you click on this icon, so it will take record of that. Then we move to the other position. So as you can see, this is our throttle, so that's the icon, joystick input 2. So now you move it, you see, you try to locate your speed stick. So here it is. So now press when centered, so you move the stick upward like this, then you click on center, then you bring it downward just like this, then you click on this icon also, then you take it upward and you click on this icon. So this is for the rudder. Coming. Okay, this is for the rudder, joystick input 5. So you also do the same, you click when centered, this is the center position, you click, that's the yaw stick. As you can see, okay. Yeah. So this is our yaw stick right here. So as you can see, the input, you can see the numbers changing right there. So you try to leave it on the center position, then you click on this icon right here when centered, then you also move it to the left position like this, then you click on this other icon right here, this one, then you move it to the right position also, and you click on this particular icon. So that's all. Then you click on save, then you, for this particular one, we'll just write let's see, fly sky. We'll save it with fly sky, then come down to this icon also, okay, and that's it. So you can go back and try to test the whole setup. Alright, as you can see, they are responding to input. This is our aileron, this is our elevator, then you can go ahead for the flight. That's pretty much it, guys. So let's come for landing. So we've landed, guys.